Hello everyone. Today we are going to study Exercise 2.2 of Chapter 2 for Class 9. Before we move on to the question, let's understand what is a zero of a polynomial. A real number A is a zero of a polynomial P of x if P of A is equal to 0. That is, if you put value of A in x, then it should be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then it is called a zero of a given polynomial. In this case, a is also called a root of the equation if p of x is equal to 0. Now let's move on to the first question. That is, find the value of the polynomial p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 at first part is x is equal to 0, second part x is equal to minus 1, and third part is x is equal to 2. So let's do it one by one. Now here is the given polynomial that is represented by p of x, which is equal to 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. Now what we need to do is we need to put x is equal to 0 according to the first part of the question. So wherever you find x in this expression, you need to put it equal to 0. जहां जहां भी आपको इस expression में x दिखाई दे रहा है, वहां वहां आपको x की place पर 0 रखना है. So let's put x is equal to 0 in the given polynomial. When we put x is equal to 0, this p of x will become p of 0 is equal to 5 into x, that is 0, minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. So when we will reduce this, it will be 0 minus 0 plus 3. So p of 0, that is polynomial, this polynomial will have value of 3 when x is equal to 0. Now let's do question number second, that is x is equal to minus 1. जहां जहां पे भी आप इस पॉलिनोमियल में x देख पा रहे हैं, वहां वहां आपको x की प्लेस पर -1 रखना है. Let's put this x is equal to -1 in the given polynomial. When you will put it, it will be equal to p of -1 is equal to 5 into -1 minus 4 into -1 का square plus 3. Then you need to reduce this equation. Further, -5 minus 4 will be equal to -9 and then plus 3. -9 plus 3 will give you -6. So for p of x, when p of -1, the value is -6. Now let's move on to the third part of the question, which is to put x is equal to 2. So let's put x is equal to 2 in the given polynomial. Once you do this, you will get it like this. P of 2 is equal to 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. When you will reduce this equation further, 5 into 2 will be 10 minus 4 into 4 is 16 plus 3. So it will give you 10 minus 16 plus 3, that is -6 plus 3, which is equal to -3. So answer for this third part is P of 2 is equal to -3. So let's do question number second, that is find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. The first part of this question is p of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. So we need to put first y is equal to 0 and then y is equal to 1 and then y is equal to 2. In each case, we need to find the value of polynomial. So first, let's put y is equal to 0 in the given polynomial. P of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So the result will be P of 0 is equal to 1. Now when we put y is equal to 1, जब हम y की जगह पर 1 रखेंगे, तब इस polynomial में ये change होगा कि y की place पर 1 आ जाएगा. P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. 1 and 1 will get cancelled with each other and polynomial of 1 will be equal to 1. So that was second part of the question. And when we put y is equal to 2, we can get the value of p of 2. So it will be 2 square minus 2 plus 1. That is 4 minus 2 plus 1. That means 4 minus 1, that is. So we can write the concluding answer as p of 0 is equal to 1, p of 1 is equal to 1, and p of 2 will be equal to 3 in this polynomial. Now come to second question. Second question is p of t. Here t is another variable where we need to put 1. पहले हम 0 रखेंगे, फिर हम 1 रखेंगे और फिर हम 2 के लिए इसकी वैल्यू निकालेंगे. So p of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So let's put t is equal to 0 in p of t. When you will put t is equal to 0, we will get p of 0 is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2, 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. So the result will be 2 plus 0, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 2. So p of 0 will get 2. Again, we'll put t is equal to 1. So whenever we find t in the given polynomial, we'll put t is equal to 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. On solving this, it will be equal to 3 plus 2 minus 1, that is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So p of 1 की जो value होगी, वो होगी 4. Now let's put t is equal to 2. So that we can find the value of polynomial at point 2, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 raised to the power 3. So when we will solve this equation, it will be 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 into 2 raised to the power 4, 2 will be 2 into 4 minus 8, and it will be 8 minus 8, that is equal to 12 minus 8, I'm sorry, the 12 minus 8, that is equal to 4. So the answers will be p of 0 is equal to 2, p of 1 is equal to 4, and p of 2 is equal to 4. Now let's take third question, that is p of x is equal to x cube. In this question also we need to put x is equal to 0 in first case, that will be equal to 0. When we will put x is equal to 1, it will be 1 cube, that is again equal to 1, and when we will put x is equal to 2, then it will be the cube of 2, that is 8. The concluding answer can be p of 0 is equal to 0, p of 1 is equal to 1, and p of 2 is nothing but 8. Now let's move on to the next question. That is question number 4. P of x is equal to x minus 1 and x plus 1. In this case as well, first we need to find the p of 0, p of 1, and p of 2. So we are going to put x is equal to 0. Firstly, p of 0 will be equal to 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. On solving this, we will get minus 1 into plus 1, which is equal to minus 1. So the value of p of 0 will be equal to minus 1 in this case. Next case is x is equal to 1. So we'll take the polynomial and put x is equal to 1 whenever we find x. P of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. That will be equal to 0 into 2, which is equal to 0. Now let's put x is equal to 2. So on putting x is equal to 2, it will be 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 3. That will be equal to 3. So the answer for all these cases will be p of 0 is equal to minus 1, p of 1 will be equal to 0, and p of 2 will be equal to 3. The next question, that is question number 3. Verify whether the following are the zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. जो भी values आपको दी गई हैं उन्हें given polynomial में रख करके देखना है. If you are getting a 0, then you can say that those values are the 0 of the polynomial. If you are not getting 0, then it will not be a 0 of the given polynomial. So let's take first question, that is p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Here in place of x we need to put minus 1 by 3. So let's put x is equal to minus 1 by 3 in the given polynomial, that is p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. When you will put this, it will be p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So here you can see that this 3 can get cancelled with this 3, and you will be having minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to exactly 0. So since p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0, you can say that yes, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the given polynomial. So similarly, we need to try out other questions. Here in the question number 2, p of x is given as 5x minus pi, and we need to put x is equal to 4 upon 5. So let's take this polynomial as 5x minus pi, and let's put x is equal to 4 upon 5 in the given polynomial. So when we'll put x is equal to 5, it will be p of 4 upon 5 is equal to 5 into 4 upon 5 minus pi. So here also we can see that 5 and 5 can get cancelled with each other, and we will be left with 4 minus pi as the answer, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, you need to write it as it is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given value of x is not a 0 of the given polynomial. Now let's move on to the question number 3. That is p of x is equal to x square minus 1. So for this we have two values. First we need to verify it for x is equal to 1, and then we need to check it for x is equal to minus 1. So let's put it one by one. Let's put x is equal to 1 in p of x. When we will put x is equal to 1 in p of x, it will be p of 1 will be x की place पर आप 1 रखेंगे. 1 square is nothing but 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 is a 0 of p of x, because we are getting 0 as the answer by keeping 1 in the given polynomial. Now let's do it for x is equal to minus 1. When we will put x is equal to minus 1, it will be p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1, again equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that both of these numbers, that is 1 and minus 1, are the 0 of polynomials. Now let's move on to the question number 4, that is x plus 1 into x minus 2, and here again we are given two values to verify. So p of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2 at x is equal to minus 1. We are going to verify it first. So let's put x is equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial. जहां जहां x की वैल्यू है वहां वहां minus 1 रखिए. Minus 1 plus 1 into, here also I need to write as minus 1. Okay, instead of x it will be minus 1 minus 2. So here you can see that minus 1 into 1 is clearly equal to 0. So in fact, if you do it minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2, that will again be equal to 0. In next case, so we can say that x is equal to minus 1 is a 0 of p of x. Now we'll check it for x is equal to 2. Same polynomial, हमने यहाँ पर x plus 1 ही रहने दिया है अभी, and we have kept the value of x here 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0, and 0 multiplied by anything is equal to 0. So x plus 1, or you can say 2 plus 1, 3 into 0 is also 0. So therefore x is equal to 2 is also a factor, is also 0 of p of x. So there are two zeros in this case as well. Now let's move on to the question number 5th. P of x is equal to x square, and we need to check it for x is equal to 0. So let's put x is equal to 0 in the given polynomial. P of 0 will be clearly equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to 0 is a 0 of P of x. Now come to the question number 6, that is P of x is equal to Lx plus m. Here, in place of x, we need to put minus m upon L. So we'll try putting it. P of minus m upon L will be equal to L into minus m upon L plus m. Here you can see that this L in numerator and this L in denominator will get cancelled with each other, and we will be having minus m plus m, which is equal to 0. Therefore, yes, we can say that x is equal to minus m upon L is a 0 of the given polynomial, as it is equal to 0. Now let's come to the next question. That is question number 7th of 3rd. P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. Again, we are here given two values. One is minus 1 upon root 3. Another one is 2 upon root 3. So first, let's put x is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. Now you all know that square of any root will be the number. That is minus 1 upon root 3 will be equal to 1 upon root 3. Okay, so here as well, 3 and 3 will get cancelled with each other, and you will be left with 1 minus 1, which is again equal to 0. So therefore, we can say that p of minus 1 upon root 3 is equal to 0. So it is one of the zeros of the given polynomial. Next one, p of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. So we need to put x is equal to 2 upon root 3 now. So as we have put it, it will be 3 into 2 upon root 3 square minus 1. Again, we can cancel 3 and 3 because 2 2s are 4, and root 3 का square करने पर you will get only 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. You will be left with 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is not a 0 of the given polynomial. Now let's move on to the question number 1st of 4th. Here, you need to find the 0 of the given polynomial. To find the 0 of this polynomial, what we'll need to put p of x is equal to 0. When we will put p of x is equal to 0 and find the value of x, x plus 5 is equal to 0. On transposing this 5 to RHS, we will get x is equal to minus 5. So thus, x is equal to minus 5 is a 0 of this polynomial. Similarly, we'll try out another question. Part 2nd of 4th question is p of x is equal to x minus 5, and in this case also we need to find the 0. So p of x is equal to x minus 5 has to be put equal to 0. When I'll put this polynomial equal to 0, I'll be easily able to find the value of 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. Again, on transposing this minus 5 to RHS, we will get x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 is a 0 of the given polynomial. Here, which number 3rd of 4th, p of x is equal to 2x plus 5. In order to find the 0 of this polynomial, we will again put this p of x equal to 0. P of x is nothing but 2x plus 5. जब हम इसे 2x प्लस 5 को 0 के इक्वल रखेंगे तब यहाँ पर ये जो प्लस 5 है वो ट्रांसपोज होकर के RHS में आ जाएगा. It was like this. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here we have sent this 5 to RHS and it is equal to 2x is equal to minus 5. Then x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now we can say that x is equal to minus 5 by 2 is a 0 of the given polynomial. Let's move on to the fourth part of question number 4. That is p of x is equal to 3x minus 2. Again, we are going to put this polynomial equal to 0 in order to find the 0 of this polynomial. So it will be 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. On transposing the values, we will get 3x is equal to 2 and then x is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, thus x is equal to 2 by 3 will be a 0 of the given polynomial. Fifth part of fourth question is p of x is equal to 3x. Here we need to find the 0. So we are going to put this p of x, that is 3x is equal to 0. When we will put 3x is equal to 0, it will be 0 upon 3, that is nothing but 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Similarly, we'll try it for question number 6, that is p of x is equal to ax. To find the 0 of the polynomial, we will put p of x is equal to 0 and here ax will be equal to 0. Then x will be equal to 0 upon a, which is nothing but 0. Thus x is equal to 0 will be the 0 of this polynomial as well. So it is same as question number 5th. Now question number 7th is p of x is equal to cx plus d. So let's find out the 0 of this polynomial. In order to find it, again we are going to put p of x is equal to 0. So p of x is nothing but cx plus d is equal to 0. Then on transposing this d to other side, it will be cx is equal to minus d. And then c multiplication में है यहाँ पर x के साथ. So on other side, it will go into division. Minus d upon c will be the 0 of the given polynomial. Thank you so much.